I just popped up at this small business in Miami because I was speaking at Absolute Web and I met these amazing entrepreneurs. We got Basa and Kevin, and they're doing something that you don't think about. They're doing spoilers and all those great things on the cars. Right? Why is this so expensive? Because as a body kit, I mean, you would think it's just, what's the difference? What makes it so expensive?
So hand labor, that's all it is.
It's hand labor.
Yeah, because as you can see, carbon fiber is very flexible. So what makes this is more like an art piece. You want to make sure all the weaves are perfectly straight. This is where we paint everything. This one's already, this is a downdraft tool.
We were talking and you said that nothing goes to waste, and you have one person because you're all about green. And there you go. And you send it to China, and then they probably sell it back to us as those little beads. Look how they are working in here. Look at boom, boom. I'm not gonna put you on right there. Boom. See that? All right, so let's look at this. You have a CNC machine. You know, a lot of people don't realize how much people invest in their business. And he has the high-level CNC machine. He makes spoiler kits. Tell me about this machine. Why is it such a high-level CNC machine?
This one is a 5-axis machine. So this one does the same steps that I just mentioned, and the head turns. So this one, you can turn the head left and right. You see how that's what makes it a 5-axis machine.
Oh, there you go. I know the machine geeks are gonna love that. And how much did you have to invest in this type of machine?
This one was $85.
$85,000.
Yeah.
What is this?
This is where the magic starts. So once we make the molds out of high density foam,
Yeah.
it's all made in the same CNC machine. Now we just put it in this machine, and this is a thermoform machine. So basically, it's a giant oven on top. You see the resistors on top, and a giant vacuum cleaner on the bottom.
All right, listen. Where can they find you? Where can they find you? On Instagram?
Yeah, Instagram, NIA Body Kits USA. Our website, niaautodesign.com. I mean, basically TikTok, Facebook, everything NIA Body Kits USA.
All right.
That's us, and we're in Miami. You guys are welcome to come and take a tour.